Hello everyone, welcome to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to flip a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get into the video. At first, open Adobe Premiere Pro and select the video footage you want to flip. Now in the Effects Control panels, search for Flip. You will find horizontal flip and vertical flip. Now select one based on your needs, then drag and drop to the video clip. So that's it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Xirosoft. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.